In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to remove page transitions in Canva. If you've ever exported a design as a video or presented a slide deck and noticed a fade, slide, or other animated effect between pages, that's a page transition. They can be useful for storytelling, but sometimes you want a clean, instant cut from one page to the next. Here's how to remove that effect quickly and cleanly. Start by opening your project in Canva. This is the design file that contains your pages or slides. In the editor, look for the row or column of page thumbnails, the small previews of each page, typically along the bottom or side of your screen. Find the page where you want to remove the transition. It helps to glance at the small indicators near the thumbnails, because a transition is usually marked by a label or icon between pages, so you know which one is active. Now, right-click directly on the thumbnail of the page you want to adjust. Be sure you're clicking the thumbnail itself, not the canvas area, so you get the correct menu. A context menu will appear. From that menu, choose Change Transition. This opens a panel that shows you the different transition styles currently available for that page, such as dissolve, slide, or other animated options. To turn the effect off completely, select None. The moment you choose None, Canva removes the transition from that page, and you'll see the transition label or icon disappear. That's it. The page will now cut directly to the next one without any animation. A quick note for clarity. Removing a page transition affects only the movement between pages. It does not remove animations applied to individual elements on a page, like text or images that fade in. Those are separate settings. If your goal is to remove all animated movement, you'll need to address element animations separately. But for transitions between pages, selecting None is all you need. If you have multiple pages with transitions, repeat the same process on each page where you want a clean cut. Canva automatically saves your changes, so you don't need to hunt for a save button. When you preview or export your project as a video or present it, the pages you updated will move instantly to the next without any transition effect. And that's the entire workflow. Open your project, right-click the page thumbnail you want to adjust, choose Change Transition, and set it to None. Simple, precise, and perfect for a crisp, professional flow.